Hey everyone, NorthernBassWhisperer with you. Back at it again after that open water bite. I'm in the same spot that I was yesterday, right at the mouth of this river right here. And that's where I'm hoping for that early bite. Yesterday was pretty slow, but I wasn't totally skunked, and I did get that nice pike. I'm hoping today to get into a nice trout maybe, or one of those early season walleye full of eggs. So I'm about to get a crawler out there. And this time of year, you can never go wrong with a nice juicy night crawler. And I'm gonna cast this right out in the center here. So it's catching on the current here. Because that's where fish are gonna be feeding, where that food's gonna be coming right to them with minimal effort. Alright, well we're going to let that set, and I might jig around a little bit. It's a lot nicer today than it was yesterday. Yesterday, you know, the temperature was supposed to come up to the 50s and 60s. I'm not sure that it ever did, and if it did, the wind certainly didn't let it feel like that. But today there doesn't seem to be any wind, and the temperatures are definitely in the 50s, maybe even 60s. That, combined with the rain we're going to get this week, is going to go a long way to getting these river temperatures up to what those fish are going to need to start the spawn. And that's when the fishing's going to get really good. I can't wait. I switched over to a jerk bait. See if we can't get any hits off that. White and powder blue, one of my favorite combinations. There we go. Got something on. Oh, nice pike. Here we go. Slamming that jerk bait. I should have brought my net down, but there she goes. Crushed it. All right. Well, that's a nice pike there. Pretty and healthy. Now it's going to go back. All right. Well, it's good to get that skunk off for the day. Hopefully we can get into another fish. It's always nice to get a pike, but man, I really thought that was a walleye the way it rolled over and shook in the water. Old Faithful ringing it back in. This is the Rapala X-Wrap in the large size, and that white with the powder blue is deadly. And here I was just thinking it was going to be a dead day. But that's the beauty of fishing. There's always next cast. That's all it takes. Well, it was another slow day, but we still got one fish, and hey, that's better than nothing. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so you can keep up with my future videos. And as always, everyone, tight lines, and I'll be back out there before you know it.